She's back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. For my return subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I'm happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So today I am coming to you guys with this look that I created, this look that I formulated, this look that I put together, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this, or how I got to this point. You girls know I'm MUA, but I does what I does, and sometimes it does a good, okay? We are in the month of love, and I felt the need to formulate a look. You guys know my favorite color is pink. If you're triple OG, triple SG, you know my favorite color is pink. So I'm taking the opportunity to create some looks for Valentine's Day because I love the color pink and I love love. I mean, what can you say? Your girl is a Pisces. I'm a die-hard romantic. So yeah, I'm here for the looks and I'm here to give y'all the looks. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned for the entire video. You watch the entire video. I'm not playing with you. Make sure you watch the entire video. Subscribe and join the gang. That helps me out a ton. You're supporting a girl's dream, okay? Click the post notification bell button and be sure to give the video a big thumbs up because, I mean, look at me. I look good. Like, why would you not give me a thumbs up?
Don't worry, I'll wait.
With no further ado, enjoy. Okay, yes, looking busty, looking crusty, and well, this is how every makeup look starts. And then you turn into a bad bitch in like an hour, maybe an hour and 30. Starting off with my Morphe, come on, 25L palette. She is colorful, might I add. And I'm gonna be going in with the color Sexuality first, this one right here. I will like to point out right now that I have no idea what I'm doing. Not that I have no idea what I'm doing, but I don't know like what look I'm trying to achieve. So yeah, I've already concealed my eyes with just some Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna pop this right in here. How are you guys feeling about Valentine's Day? How are you guys feeling about it? Do you have plans? Do you have a date? Are you just gonna like chill at home? Are you gonna go out with your girlfriends? Are you gonna stay home and sulk? Please don't do that, by the way. Because it's really not that deep. It's only one day and it's really not that deep. Like, come on. What do you guys have planned? I wanna know down below. I wanna know down below. So you see what I've done there? Yep, right there. I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. The fact that January is over, like, did January not fly the F on by? Is that setting the tone for the year? Because I don't need this year to fly on by. Like, I got stuff to do this year, you feel me? Like, so I'm not saying I need to take its time, but like, at least give me a chance to start. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend the edges out. Just a smaller blending brush. Going back with some of that pink because I feel like I lost some of it, and popping it right back in those areas. Now I'm going in with this color right here. This is, wait, is it that color? I'm going in with this color right here. There we go. That color is Truth. It's a dark, deep purple. I'm gonna work that further into the crease. Y'all know y'all never see me doing bright ass colors. Like, what has taken over my life? Like, someone tell me. Is it the YouTubers that I'm following? Like Kiana Talented, Lisa Jazz, Christian Allure? Like, who is it? Jackiana? Like, what is going on? Like, what is going on? I'm inspired. Now going in between these two and blending that with a smaller blending brush. I'm literally just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, forth, back, back, forth, back. Yeah, like, I know I look crazy. Trust and believe. By the end of this video, I will be a bad bitch because I have more videos to film, period. So I have no choice but to get this shit together. Okay? By the way, stop right now and give me a thumbs up because your girl is trying. A for effort. Wait. E for effort. What is, get it together. Oh my god, I forgot I made some tea. Oh my god. It should be cool by now because it was piping hot when I put it in the cup. So, blending my life away. Blending my life away. Fun fact. Like, they never lie when they said blending like takes forever. Forget about on the face. On the eyes, sis, it's a whole nother ball game.
Moments later.
I think I want to pop a little bit more of that purple in there. And blend. Again. And again. And again. And again, that's where I'm at right now. I swear my camera does no justice because she's looking, I don't even know what she's looking like on camera, but it's all right. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it together. I'm just gonna put some concealer down right here and kind of sort of blend it out. And what color am I popping on the lid? This is the Magic Mini by Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to pop this pink color on my lid right here. Actually, now I think about it, I'm gonna mix this one, and this one is Zuba and Ocean. Can't afford to get any of that glitter in my eye. Just like that. I thought I told you that we ain't gonna stop. I thought I told you that we ain't gonna stop. Going back in with my brush, and I'm going back in with that purple color, and I'm gonna try to just get some more right above here. That's that for right now. I'm gonna do my face off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. The eyes are not done, but they will be when I get back. We're gonna finish them when I get back. So
20 minutes later.
come on. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I'm super excited because I just feel like this week is gonna be a good week, you know. Mind you, I have no setting powder down, so I gotta be real careful because my face is already done, y'all. Yeah, I know I always get the mirror on deck. Make sure you get your mirror. I know you still ain't get it, so that's why I keep saying it. Make sure you get your mirror. Talking to you. Link in the description box. Actually, I don't even think I want to put the purple underneath. I think I just want to put the pink. Yeah. Do I want anything in the inner corner? No, I think I'm content with what we have right here. Lashes are on. Pop your period down below. If you didn't know, your girl has a lash business. Support the kid. You guys do see that I also put white in my waterline just to open up the eyes a bit, because you know it was getting a little dark, it was getting a little smoky. So yeah, I did that. Now I'm just not get it together. I'm going in with some highlighter. This one is from MAC. It is limited edition. This is how it looks. I'm so sorry, but it's just you could use it any highlighter, honestly. Use what you got. Ooh, woo. Damn, oh damn. Finna blind your date, okay? Cupid's bow. Hey boo. And I'm gonna flush a little bit in here, because I never do a brow highlight, but I always put my highlighter in here, so I guess it serves that purpose. I guess you can use this mirror start to finish. Key. It's an essential. Now, if you're really Stush gang, you watched one of my last videos where I showed you guys a ton of different lip glosses or lipsticks that I found in my collection, and I found some favorites, some new favorites. So I'm actually going to be using one of them today. It is the Too Faced honey chocolate honey melted lipstick. So I'm gonna apply that. I already, obviously you guys saw me already add some brown liner. And you know, I'm a glossy gal, so I'm gonna add some gloss. I just don't know which one yet. I'm going in with this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, literally taking it out the package. Like, I need to stop buying. Like, someone send help. Send help, SOS. And that is the lip that I have created. Let me set my face now with this mini setting spray from Makeup Forever. And I'm just gonna press that in. Boo, boo, boo. What I told, let me not toot my own horn yet, because I gotta get these slow-mos first. This lip combo, oh bitch. Like, might have did something. Let me know if you guys, like, this is a new one that I just created, but let me know if you guys want to see a video featuring like all my favorite nude lip combos, because I could do that like easily. I got the nudes up the sleeve. Like, let me know if you need that tea, because I got you. Let me get this together and I'll be back with some slow-mos. Don't you move. Stay right there. guys enjoyed the slow-mos. As you guys see, I popped on a turban. You guys may also notice that I did not change my shirt. It just went with the look. What do you think? Camo vibes, pink vibes, and give me y'all vibes. Yes. Y'all should be giving me hard eyes at this point because, like, I brought it. Simple, I brought it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. If you guys have made it to this point, please comment down below. Let's see. Comment down below the emoji with the 2 pink hearts. You guys know what I'm talking about? I have it show up on the screen. So comment down below if you've made it to this point in the video. That way I know my time has not been wasted. I appreciate you guys for that. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's look. I am going to be creating a few more V-Day looks. Not like the whole month of February is not going to be just set for V-Day, but maybe like 2 more or 1 more at least. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and join the gang. We are on the road to 10K. I said what I said. We're on the road to 10K. And turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss the next video that drops. I'm gonna exit here because I think I need to take some pictures for the gram. Follow me on Instagram at thestushlife. Just saying. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys so much for watching the entire video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Turban mommy, turban vibes. It is also Black History Month, so you know I'm popping out turbans. Okay. Small dark is coming through. Oh, that is the lip that I have proceed, and that is the lip that I have, and that is the lip that I have accrued. So I'm popping out turbans. Okay. The ghetto.